Good morning, students. So let's continue with the problems on the chapter Admission of Partnership. So let us go on to illustration 37. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They admit C into the firm for 1/4 share in profit, which he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. So they have given us the old ratio. What is the old ratio? So they have given us old ratio, that is 3:2. Who is the new partner? C's. So what is C's share of profit? 1/4. He gets it from A and B. A से उसको कितना मिला? 1/6. B से 1/12. C brings 50,000 as goodwill out of his share of 90,000. तो C का goodwill का share कितना था? It was 90,000. But how much did he get? He got only 50,000 out of 90,000. No goodwill account appears in the books of firm. Pass necessary journal entries. So this sum is a combination of case 2 and case 3. Why case 2? Because out of 90,000, he has brought 50,000 as goodwill. So this becomes case number 2. And remaining 40,000 he did not bring in cash as goodwill. So that becomes case number 3. So how will we work out such type of problem? Let us see. First we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So write down calculation of sacrifice ratio. We have A, B. So 1/4 is C share. How much he gets from A? 1/6. So it is 1/24. How much does he get from B? 1/12. So it is 1/48. So A is to B, 1/24 is to 1/48. How much is the sacrifice ratio? 2:1. After we have found out the sacrifice ratio, the next step is to do the journal entries. So we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what will be the first journal entry? C has brought goodwill of 50,000 out of 90,000. So case 2, what is the entry? Bank account debited to premium for goodwill account. It is 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. What is the narration? A part of his share of goodwill brought in by C. What is the second entry in case 2? It is premium for goodwill account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account, right? And what will be the entry for goodwill not brought in cash? It is C's current account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. So instead of writing two separate entries for B for goodwill and current account, we can write a combined entry, that is premium for goodwill account debited, C's current account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. It is okay if you want to write it separately as well. It is not wrong. It is right. But I will be writing a combined entry. So premium for goodwill account debited, C's current account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. What is the premium for goodwill? He brought 50,000. What is the current account? He has not brought 40,000 as a part of his goodwill. Total कितना है? 90,000. And what is the sacrifice ratio? 90,000 into 2/3, 60,000. 90,000 into 1/3, 30,000. So write down the narration. Goodwill credited to A and B in their sacrificing ratio, that is 2:1. Clear? This is a different kind of sum where out of 90,000 C का goodwill कितना था 90,000, but he brought only 50,000 as cash. So brought in by cash is case number 2, and what is not brought in by cash becomes a case number 3. So 50,000 होगा case number 2 and 40,000 will be case 3. That is the reason we have passed a combined entry. Clear? Next, let's go on to illustration 38. A and B are partners sharing profit equally. So they have given us old ratio. A is to B, 1:1. They admit C into partnership. C is paying only 60,000 for premium out of 1,08,000. So again his premium for goodwill was 1,08,000, but he paid only 60,000. For 1/4 share of profit, goodwill account appears in the books at 3 lakh. Total goodwill which was already appearing in the books was 3 lakh. तो ये 3 lakh का क्या करना है? It should be divided among the old partners in their old ratio. Why? Because balance sheet में जो goodwill already थी, that belongs only to the old partners. All the partners have decided that goodwill should not appear in the firm's new book. So the remaining जो goodwill रहेगी, that will not be appearing in the firm's book. That is how much? 48,000. So what is the first step? We need to calculate the sacrifice ratio. What is the old ratio? Old ratio is already given in the problem, that is equally 1:1. C is admitted for 1/4 share. So let the share of the firm be 1. तो remaining share कितना है? Remaining share is 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. So A's sacrifice ratio and B's sacrifice ratio we need to find out. 3/8, 3/8. So what is the sacrifice ratio? It is 1:1. Even if you do not find it, it is assumed that your old ratio will be equal to your sacrificing ratio. But it is better you work out ताकि आपको कोई confusion या problem ना हो. So we have found out the sacrifice ratio. Next step is to do the journal. Draw the format. Write the heading. Journal entries. So what will be the first entry? 3 lakh is already in the books. So 3 lakh रुपए we need to write off that in the old partners capital account. So what will be the journal entry? A's capital account debited, B's capital account debited to goodwill account in the old ratio. What is the old ratio? It is equally. So total is 3 lakh. 1,50,000 A gets, 1,50,000 B gets. Write the narration. The existing goodwill of the firm written off. We have written off the existing goodwill. Next is case number 2. New partner has brought premium for goodwill. So bank account debited to premium for goodwill account. How much did he bring? 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. Write down the narration. A part of his share of goodwill brought in by C. So instead of writing two separate entry, again I will be writing a combined entry. अगर आपको चाहिए आप separate entry लिख सकते हैं. Because I have done a previous problem in the combined entry, I would be doing this problem also in combined entry. तो remaining goodwill कितनी बाकी है? Out of 1,08,000, he only brought 60,000. So premium for goodwill account debited 60,000. C's current account. How much he has not brought in? 48,000. To A's capital account, to B's capital account. So it is equally 1,08,000 into 1 by 2, 54,000 debit, 54,000 credit. Write down the narration. The goodwill credited to old partners in their sacrificing ratio, that is 1:1. In case you're confused, you can write a normal entry as well, that is two separate entry. That will be premium for goodwill account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. It is 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. And next entry we can write C's current account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. How much is pending? 48,000. So 24,000 and 24,000. This is how you do the separate entry. But बात तो एक ही होगी. 60 plus 48, 30 plus 24, that is 54 and 54. You can do the sum any way you want to do it. Next, let's go on to illustration 39. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 4:1. They admit C into the partnership for 1/6 share, which he pays 20,000 for goodwill. A, B, C decide to share the future profit in the ratio 3:2:1. Give necessary journal entry. So here they have given us old ratio, they have given us new ratio. We can find out the sacrificing ratio. So write down calculation of sacrifice ratio. What is the formula? It is old ratio minus new ratio. Please write the full form, do not write short forms. So A, B. What is the old ratio of A? 4/5. What is the new ratio? 3/6. LCM क्या है? 30. 24 minus 15. We get 9/30. Then we have B, 1/5 minus 2/6. What is the LCM again? 30. 6 minus 10. So what happens in case of B? B का sacrifice हो रहा है कि gain हो रहा है? B is gaining and not sacrificing to C. तो यहाँ पे who is the sacrificing partner? Only A is the sacrificing partner. So what will be the journal entry now? Write down journal entry. First entry is he brought goodwill. So bank account debited to premium for goodwill account. How much is it? 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Write down the narration. Premium for goodwill brought in by C. उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है? This goodwill, whoever sacrifice, new partner will give the compensation. So premium for goodwill account debited to A's capital account. Why only A's capital account? Did B sacrifice? B ने तो कुछ sacrifice ही नहीं किया है. So why will B get a compensation from C? I have already explained you one. I have already explained you in the first class. जो सिर्फ sacrifice करता है उसको ही compensation मिलता है. So it will be 20,000. So the entire amount will be given to A. 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Write down the narration. Premium for goodwill brought in by C credited to A's capital account. अब क्या हुआ है प्रॉब्लम में? Who is gaining here? B is gaining. How much is he gaining? 4/30. But what is the amount of goodwill? पूरे firm का goodwill कितना है? So write down calculation of goodwill of the firm. C's share दिया हुआ है. C's share of goodwill कितना है? 20,000 है ना. C शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट कितना है? 1/6. So what will be total value of goodwill of the firm? तो अगर ऐसे देंगे तो how can we find out? कुछ नहीं है, we just need to take a reciprocal of C's profit sharing firm. So it will be 20,000 into 6/1, that is 1,20,000. So what is the value of the firm? Goodwill value of the firm is 1,20,000. अगर गुडविल वैल्यू 1,20,000 है तभी तो हमको सी का शेयर मिलेगा. अगर गुडविल का वैल्यू 1,20,000 है तभी हमको सी का शेयर मिलेगा. व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट, व्हाट इज द शेयर ऑफ सी? 1/6. तो कितना मिला? 20,000. करेक्ट. बिकॉज द फर्म्स वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल इज 1,20,000, उसका 1/6 इज ऑफ सी. वी गॉट 20,000 एज his share of goodwill. The total value of the goodwill. So what is the total value of goodwill of the firm? It is 1,20,000. And now who has gained here? Mr. B has gained. So because Mr. B has gained, he needs to compensate to the sacrificing partner. Previous chapter में हमने पढ़ा था what is the journal entry? It is gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. तो यहाँ पे gain कौन कर रहा है? B's capital account debited to A's capital account. What is the gain ratio of B? It is 4/30. So, and what is the value of the firm of goodwill? It is 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 into 4/30, we get 16,000 debit, 16,000 credit. Write the narration. 4/30 of the goodwill to be contributed by B to Mr. A due to gain in his profit sharing ratio. So this was again a different kind of problem जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही पार्टनर ने sacrifice किया है and the other partner is gaining. Whenever the other partner gains, he has to give that gain part of goodwill to the sacrificing partner. And in this case, how do we find the goodwill of the firm? Whenever they have given us the goodwill of a partner and they have given his share, तो यहाँ पे अगर goodwill of the partner 20,000 दिया था, उसका share 1/6 था. So we need to take the reciprocal and get the answer. Clear? Always remember, the new partner will only compensate to the partner who has sacrificed his share and not gained his share. So first, in your working note, you need to write calculation of sacrificing ratio and you need to write the calculation of goodwill of the firm. So clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.